This ad took me under 10 minutes and cost me $0. No camera, no editor, no agency. In the next 9 minutes, you'll see the entire workflow, every prompt, every tool, every dollar or lack of one. 4 steps: image, video, voice, edit. That's it. And there's a pricing trick almost nobody talks about. That's the reason this cost me nothing. I'll show you exactly how it works. A video ad like this from an agency or a freelancer usually runs anywhere from $500 to $1,500. I made mine with 4 tools, and I'm about to show you the actual screen recording. No cuts where it matters. Step 1. An AI image. Step 2. That image becomes a video. Step 3. A voiceover. I already recorded that one separately. I'll show you the settings. Step 4. Everything comes together in the editor. I'm starting from one real photo of the actual product label. Everything else, the mountain, the light, the mist, is generated from here. Let's get into it. First tool, Magnific, using Google's Nano Banana 2. I upload the real product photo as a reference so the label stays exact. No AI making up fake text. Then the prompt. I'm asking for the jar on wet volcanic stone, golden hour light, Himalayan mountains softly out of focus behind it, raw mineral resin next to the jar. Hit generate. First try. No regenerating, no wasted attempts. The reference image is what makes this reliable. This is the image every video clip in this ad is going to come from. Second tool, same platform, Kling 2.5, image to video. This is where the pricing trick lives, so pay attention. See this toggle? On Magnific's Pro plan, you get unlimited generations, but only for specific models and resolutions. Kling 2.5 at 720p is one of them. Bump it to 1080p, and it starts pulling from your credit pool instead. So my strategy is simple. Test everything at 720p for free, as many times as I want. Only spend credits once, at the very end, if I decide I want a higher resolution final export. Each clip takes about 4 minutes to render. I'm speeding through the wait. You don't need to watch a progress bar. Second clip, same reference image, different camera move, a slow macro orbit on the resin texture. Third clip, a pullback that ends on a still frame. That's my end card, where the call to action text goes later. All 3, first attempt, 0 credits spent. That's the trick. Third tool, ElevenLabs, for the voiceover. I already recorded this part separately, so I won't slow you down watching me type. But here's what matters. I write the script with short sentences and clear punctuation, because that's what controls the pacing of the AI voice, commas for small pauses, periods for full stops. Same voice, every single video on this channel. Consistency is what makes a faceless channel feel like a real brand. 24 seconds of finished voiceover, ready to drop into the edit. Fourth tool, CapCut. I bring in all 3 video clips and the voiceover track. I trim each clip to match a section of the voiceover and cut between them right on the natural pauses in the audio. CapCut has a one-click panel that analyzes the whole timeline and suggests fixes, color matching between clips, volume leveling, voice clarity. I run through these before touching anything manually. Then subtitles, matched to the voiceover, styled to fit the brand. On that last clip, the one that ends on a still frame, I drop in the call to action text. That's exactly why I generated it that way. Export. Here's the finished ad. Under 10 minutes. $0 because of the unlimited plan trick. If you're not on that plan, here's the honest math. This same workflow costs around 915 credits at regular pricing. Check your own plan's credit value before you quote a dollar number to your audience. Either way, it's a long way from $1,500. One honest limitation. This only worked because I fed the real product label in as a reference image. Ask any of these tools to invent label text from scratch, and it still gets letters wrong. So the real skill here isn't prompting. It's knowing which model needs a reference, which resolution is free, and which parts still need a human eye before you publish. Next video, I'm breaking down the exact ElevenLabs settings that make AI voiceovers stop sounding like AI. Subscribe if you want the rest of this workflow.